from sales background,
Hmm.
directly jumping into tech will not make much sense. Even you say no Python कर लो या
Hmm.
कुछ, तो ये भी नहीं, because जो Python हम as a fresher सीखते हैं ना, उसमें
Hmm.
fresher hiring is fine, but when we take a switch, we will taking as an experienced professional.
Correct.
वो वाली Python in real world काम नहीं आती, what I get
Hmm.
to know in the industry.
Okay.
So rather than jumping into those things, there is one thing called SQL.
Yeah, yeah,
You know,
sequel. Huh.
SQL is something, if you know it, if you know only SQL, you can get into any role.
Yeah.
Matlab, when you actually go for interviews, first thing the interviewing officer gonna ask is SQL only.
Okay.
That is, matlab, even if you go for business analyst role, you go for data engineering role, you go for developer role also, SQL is very common. सब जगह आएगा,
Hmm.
तो that is, you can say, the Bible to start your career into tech or IT.
Got it. Got it.
वो
हाँ.
required है. Now again that is,
सीक्वल. हाँ. I have a bit idea. मेरे syllabus में था सीक्वल.
अच्छा कूल. हाँ, so let's jump into this. मतलब ऐसे तो बहुत चीजें हैं जो हम
हाँ
डिस्कस कर
हाँ.
सकते हैं. just if, मतलब you are connected through laptop or mobile phone?
लैपटॉप.
Perfect. एक बार just share your screen and show me your CV if possible.
हाँ, एक सेकंड.
हाँ. Yeah, it's visible to me. अभी just let me go through your profile. Just tell me क्या, मतलब I can see it, but एक आइडिया दे दो रफ के कैसा क्या प्रोफाइल रहा है अभी तक का, एजुकेशन से स्टार्ट करना, and what you learned in your graduation, that also.
हाँ. Okay. So I did my BSc in computer science.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like I've done maths, physics, and computer science. Last year, May I had to select computer science.
Perfect.
So in that I have learned C, C++, little bit of Java, that like basics जो सिखाते हैं, and SQL, HTML, cascading. So these things are also there in that. And I started my career in 2021 as a catalog executive. So here I used to work only on Excel.
Okay.
मतलब I overall अगर January आ रहा है तो I'll complete my 4 years of experience.
4 years of experience. Okay.
Yes.
So, education is from a BSc
BSc
computer science.
computer science, yeah.
And then the journey is into catalog and then into sales. Okay.
Yes, correct.
Now from here it depends what
Hmm.
you are planning. If you are planning, so you tell me like what exactly you feel कि फंक्शनल में ही जाना है या थोड़ा सा टेक्नो फंक्शनल में जाना है, क्या प्लान है टू?
You suggest me now. I told you my profile and what and all I know. Like that was 4 years ago, but still, अब अगर मैं सीखूंगी तो मैं definitely कर पाऊंगी. But मुझे इतना भी कोडिंग में नहीं जाना है because मुझे समझ में नहीं आते कोडिंग.
परफेक्ट, ठीक है, मतलब मेक सेंस.
Business analyst, business analytics is something where I'm willing to go.
ओके.
If you can suggest me on that, या फिर कुछ और है जो मैं कर सकती हूँ, you can.
डेफिनेटली. See, I'll tell you what is the easiest way, because in your current situation you need to move out from your current job quickly.
Yes,
That is
correct.
priority number one. Okay.
Hmm.
Priority number two. So moving out from current job is easy for you as well. Abhi, you are in, let's say, or you can make such into B2B, but then still it will remain sales and you know how things gonna go from there.
Exactly. मेरे.
That's a good thought. But
Hmm.
see, the same situation was with me as well at that point of time.
हाँ
If you
हाँ.
remember, uh, and he used to motivate me to join that organization. But the
Hmm.
thing is, if I would have joined that organization,
Yeah,
again, it will need at least 1 to 2 years for me to make a switch, because when you're switching, no, it's very
exactly.
important that you are in the current organization for a long time. So let's say in your current organization, you are
हाँ,
here for more than 1 year.
correct.
Now, when you go to another organization, for the
Hmm.
sake, okay, I can prepare because let's say there are 2 day off. But
Correct.
then in next 3 4 months, if you are making another switch, either
हाँ.
even if you have technical knowledge as well, the question will come that why you're making another switch,
Correct.
right?
Correct.
So you need to be very sure that you stick to your current organization for at least 3 to 4 months,
हाँ.
and then plan. If it goes wrong, then join another organization that they will give you another offer anyways. What you can focus.
Hmm.
So currently, to move to make a career transition from into a different profile and into a different industry, or even in the same industry,
Mm-hmm.
you should go for something which is easy and still in demand. So
Yes.
only two roles are there, BA and BSA. तो n number of roles are there, but ये non technical professional के लिए easy है,
हाँ.
just to start with something. Then you go into IT, you start doing it, फिर धीरे धीरे वो switch होता है. Even for me as well, I'm switching into data engineering side
हाँ.
currently. अभी
हाँ.
मेरा
हाँ.
ऐसा चल रहा है फिर. So that is possible, right?
Okay.
तो
Hmm.
उसके लिए ना, you just need 3 to 4 month. 3 to 4 month में you'll be
हाँ.
able to learn it, you'll be able to switch it. थ्री टू
Okay.
फोर मंथ में you'll be sitting in a different organization
Hmm.
से, और पैरेलली लर्निंग भी चलेगी एंड ये भी चलता रहेगा जो करंट जॉब है. सो इट इज जस्ट अ हसल, लेकिन इट वुड बी अ वेरी बिग हसल फॉर श्योर.
Hmm.
मतलब मुझे लिटरली आई डू रिमेम्बर माय डेज, वो बचपन वाले, कि सुबह जल्दी
हाँ.
उठो, पढ़ो और वो सब करो, वो टाइम रहेगा, या रात में लेट पढ़ो, इट्स अप टू
हाँ.
यू, वो रहेगा. बट हाँ, इन 3 to 4 मंथ इट्स पॉसिबल.
ठीक है.
6 महीने भी जा सकता है, मतलब इट्स नॉट अ नंबर, बट पॉसिबिलिटी है.
Depends how we are like क्या बोलते हैं हम कैसे पढ़ाई करते हैं ना.
करेक्ट, करेक्ट, यस,
हाँ.
यस, दैट्स हाउ इट्स
Okay.
गोना बी. मतलब इट्स लाइक यू ओपन नेटफ्लिक्स एंड यू आर जस्ट वाचिंग इट एंड यू आर नॉट फोकसिंग मच ऑन इट, जस्ट बिंज वॉच इट 2 to 3 times. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Once it is done, no, then fourth time you will go deeper and you'll be able to understand it easily. That's how it's gonna be.
Okay. Hmm.
Now there are a lot of options which you can learn, but the easy thing is, you should learn project management
Okay.
on a business analyst level, which
Hmm.
have lot of topics, but all are theoretical. So you not need to make any notes, or um,
Hmm.
learn anything. It just you should understand the process, that how a project works and how different methodologies are used in it, and
Okay.
you can do some case studies also, and it will be fine. Which is, I think it will take around 1 to 1.5 months. That's it. Once you
अच्छा.
learn it, now you know कि आईटी में कोई प्रोजेक्ट आता है तो वो प्रोजेक्ट कैसे रन होता है. बेसिक
Okay.
फंक्शनिंग यू नो नाउ.
Hmm.
तो
Hmm. Hmm.
करंटली यू आर इन अ पोजीशन दैट यू कैन टॉक टू पीपल जो फंक्शनल है, उनसे आप आराम से बात कर सकते हो, चाहे
हाँ.
इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर हो, चाहे कलीग्स हो जो आपके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में इन आईटी.
Okay. Got it.
सेकेंड थिंग विच विल बी ऑफ 110% यूज इज सीक्वल.
हाँ.
विदाउट सीक्वल no one can work. मतलब it's
Correct.
literally
Got it.
impossible, because also if you are taking a switch toward, let's say, Power BI or
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
BW or maybe data analytic के side
Hmm.
में, if you want to take a switch, SQL is the basic. So
Got it.
हाँ, so वो पढ़ा SQL, you done, you did SQL, you did this. Once
Hmm.
you complete these two things, now it's your call. If you're curious, you can learn Power BI Tableau as well. मतलब it's not required at all. जरूरत नहीं है
अच्छा.
इन
You
दो चीजों.
learned.
हाँ,
You learned it.
I learned Power BI, but
Okay.
it was of no use for me to while I was taking the switch, and currently also in this whole journey,
अच्छा.
it was of no use for me as of now. और आगे भी अभी 1-2 साल तक नहीं आएगा, I don't know in future.
Hmm. Hmm.
बट इट
Hmm.
गेव मी कॉन्फिडेंस कि हाँ मुझे ये भी आता है. मैंने यूज नहीं कर पाया उसको ज्यादा, मैंने डमी प्रोजेक्ट बनाया और ऑफिस में या मेरे प्रोजेक्ट्स में उसका यूज नहीं था, बिकॉज मेरा स्टार्टिंग ही डेटा इंजीनियरिंग के साइड से ही हो गया था. सो
Okay.
दो
Hmm.
देयर वर फ्यू कॉल्स वेयर आई वाज पार्ट ऑफ इट, एंड
Hmm.
आई वाज गिविंग आइडियाज टू दिस डेवलपर हु वाज अ पावर बीआई डेवलपर, बट मैं बैठ के नहीं कर रहा था काम. सो इट
Oh.
हेल्प मी टू कम्युनिकेट विद देम, दैट्स इट. हाँ,
अच्छा. Got
तो
it. हाँ.
इट्स अगेन अ प्लस पॉइंट इफ यू नो इट, बट
Hmm.
ऐसा नहीं है कि पावर बीआई एकदम एंड टू एंड पढ़ना है, सीखना है, करना है तो ही होगा.
Basics. हाँ.
हाँ, बेसिक्स. बिकॉज फॉर पावर बीआई, नो, इट्स अ टूल. नाउ द थिंग इज, व्हेन यू गो फॉर इंटरव्यू फॉर पावर बीआई, दे विल गो
हाँ.
वेरी डीप. एंड व्हेन यू जस्ट लर्न समथिंग, नो, यू कांट लर्न वेरी डीप. अभी आप ऊपर
Correct.
ऊपर से ही सीख पाओगे, चाहे कुछ भी कर लो, यू बाय एनी कोर्स, यू डू एनीथिंग, इवन ऑन यूट्यूब, वेर एवर, हर जगह
Hmm.
नॉलेज इज अवेलेबल, बट डीप नॉलेज कहीं पे भी नहीं है, दैट यू कैन ओनली लर्न व्हाइल यू आर वर्किंग ऑन इट.
Exactly.
It will
Correct.
come with experience. तो
Hmm.
वो possibility है नहीं. And when you jump into it, even for SQL as well, easy नहीं है
Hmm.
learn करना. But the thing is, the people who are taking the interview, they will ask SQL. They will not ask Power BI, because these are old professionals. 10 साल का experience है, 15 साल का, वो interview ले रहा है. उसने
Correct.
अपने टाइम पे SQL पढ़ा था. They are judging you on the base of SQL.
हम्म।
पावर बीआई, तो पावर बीआई का अगर आपको आइडिया है और सीक्वल आपको अच्छे से आता है, यू आर गुड टू गो।
अच्छा।
ऐसे होगा।
ओके।